Hi everyone, welcome back, or welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty and I love subscription boxes. If you do too, I'd absolutely love it if you consider at least subscribing before you go. But today we have the January Look Fantastic box. So this is a beauty subscription. I do have an affiliate link and codes to save on this box, depending on where you are. They have different versions throughout the world. If you guys hear anything, it's my cat. But it's about $19 per month. Some places it's 17. I get confused between like the UK and the US, but anyways, depending on if you want to subscribe month to month or purchase a whole year plan, I do have some discount codes. If you are interested, beauties, mostly deluxe size, but you get at least $70 or $80 worth in value, so more than double what you pay. And I can't wait. Let's see what's inside. So it looks like there's always a little pamphlet here that has a beautiful person. Very beautiful. Damn, her skin. And it says wellness is the way. So that is the theme for January, wellness. And inside, it's like a little magazine kind of. It'll have like notes from the editors, talk about what's inside the box, and then have more. Oh, there's stuff in yoga in here. Cool. Stuff about acai berry. Yeah, it's like a little magazine, like I said. So super awesome. Oh, looks like we got a lot. Yeah, you definitely get, I mean, obviously you get your money's worth of value like I was telling you, but let's see, picture good. By the Skin Chemist London, we have rose quartz. Oh, there's crystals in it. You know, I love that shit. Some stuff. Excuse my French. Rose quartz youth defense lip plump. Sorry, I was just filming another video too and that was going off. My computer's open over there. We're just gonna go with the flow. Oh my god, lavender tea body wash. This is awesome. I like taking showers at night. A lot of times I do both, like day and night, but like just having those scents. I really believe in aromatherapy. For me personally, it says, let the feeling of this calm, moisturizing body wash hydrate and nourish your skin. And this looks like it's full size. Awesome. I love lavender. I know not everyone loves lavender scent. What do you guys think? What's the verdict on lavender for you? I love it. I have like 4 things to go at least. By Ahava. Ooh. They have hair stuff now. I know, I really like their moisturizers, but not, this is a conditioner for your hair, so I bet it really moisturizes your hair too, especially this time of year, we need that. Dead Seawater Mineral Conditioner, enriched with mineral osmoter, I don't know, that's trademarked, Abyssinian oil, and calendula extract. I like saying calendula better, but it's calendula. Interesting. Has anyone tried this? I think we just got the shampoo. I'm guessing they have a conditioner too. I love this stuff. I have this. I have actually something different in their line, but I have the full size of this before and the lotion in the line. It is by This Works, and it's Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. Wasn't I just saying how I like lavender? This smells like lavender, but like different. It's not super lavendery. It has other scents in it, but it's been like there's like science. Like they did science. They did studies like showing people like spraying this or not, and the people that sprayed it like slept better. So even if it's placebo or whatever, it smells good and helps you sleep. I swear. My one friend told me that she had this when she was in the hospital giving like for labor to calm her. And now we have Polar. This is Eternal Snow Youthful Promise Cream with Arctic Flowers. Oh, wow. Are there really flowers that bloom in like Antarctica? I bet there's something like that. I'm going to look at pictures right now. Good thing nothing's within reach, or I'd make you guys look with me. But let's move on to the last item we have here by Blossom and Blossom Hands Up Age Defying Hand Cream. Oh, and there's niacinamide in it to help improve signs of skin damage. So that was everything. So let's just do a little recap here. Do I have everything here? Yeah. So we have the Rose Quartz Lip Plumper. So is this one of those like tingles? I love that it says Rose Quartz all big right there. I'm like, yes, I love it. Yeah, oh, it has peppermint oil, so that is what plumps it. I like that better than like something chemical, and I like that tingly feel kind of. Do I have anything on my lips? My cat's so cute right now. Oh, nice. Man, I'm glad I opened this. Let's try it out. It has like a little bit of a pink tint. And there must be rose quartz in that. You know, rose quartz is a crystal that's all about love, self-love especially, and compassion. And I like even just reading that on there, even if the, you don't, I mean, I'm guessing there is some in here. You can kind of see a little shimmer. But even just reading the word makes me like remember that. It smells pepperminty. Hi, Amy. She's loving it. There's like stuff all over. Oh, I forgot I had some lip liner on. It's all over the wand now, but it gets cleaned off. Oh yeah, I feel it. Are you looking plumper? Ooh. It doesn't even feel like badly tingly. I know I should clean this before I put it in. I could wipe down here. I smell the mint more than I feel it. But maybe it's one of those that like takes a second. So let's just put that back while we recap the other. But this is full size. And then we got our body wash. Full size lavender tea body wash, which I'm really excited about. It says it's moisturizing too. And then we got our Ahava conditioner, which I'm really curious about. It helps leave your skin, your skin looking silky soft. My hair needs some TLC. I was gonna dye it again today, but I'm like, I need to wait longer. I got hand cream. The sleep spray I'm really excited about too. And this is such a nice little size. Like if you travel a lot and you're like, don't sleep while traveling, like at hotels and stuff, this would be good because you can bring it with you because it's only like whatever ounces. I don't know. But also it's just nice to keep on your bedstand. It's not super huge or anything like that. Hand cream. And that was everything. You guys have to let me know what you think. And again, the link will be down below. And also, like I mentioned earlier, if you don't live in the US, you can still get this box. So it might vary based on country what you get. If you guys live somewhere else, did you get different items? Or did you get any variation different than what I did? Let me know your thoughts down below. Let me know how you guys are doing. I'm just so grateful you guys are here. I've been having such a good time doing these more like casual unboxings and more frequent as well. So I hope you're liking them. I'd love some feedback. Let me know. But yeah, so grateful for you guys. I hope you guys are all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.